welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix we have Gracie. Now, Gracie, like other people, are speaking up on what Misty said, and this is addressed to her and the Planka Nation. Now, what they're saying is that because there was something that came out or remarks that was made by Misty re Derrick Morgan about him eating pizza. Now, remember, Derrick had went to Miss D to ask her for some help at one point in time. And so these people, they're saying that, basically he would come to the realization that, he should take his money and do something with it. But they're also saying that basically that she, Miss D, was asking people for money as well, either to help other people or for herself. And they're saying before the house was built, that's what she used to do. And so everything, people are speaking about this, and they're highly upset because they're saying sometimes when you ask somebody for something, you would want it to be the way that she came out on him. So everybody is, a lot of people are talking about this and saying, liberty comes through carelessness, and, that because Derrick had went to her. So guys, don't catch the video, see what these people have to say, and that's Gracie and some other people will follow, including Shebbada. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yes, don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I post, you guys know. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their birthdays today, I wish you joy, peace, happiness, love, prosperity in this year. And for all my other lovelies, please have yourselves a beautiful day.
When you listen to me very good. Me know me I get all the backlash for this, but I care zero. Dana is very out order. She cannot tell Derrick say must not eat. Derrick been a eat before. Derrick did not been a eating fried rice and in pork, in pizza for dinner, in chicken for real. That Derrick been a eat long time. When Nana ready to take up our money and buy big Gucci and big this and big that, I come for life. Sorry, I come for life, come brag and boast. Both in Gucci and in big this and in big that. Nobody never tell Dana to live behind, between our needs. Nobody never tell Dana that. When Dana ready to take up in people and he take up everybody and he fly out everybody and nobody not tell Dana say don't fly out people, you need to live between your needs. Dana is very bright. She passed Brighton Town on an excellent college. Dana is very out order. And she shade people and bring down people at all time. She not come to help no poor people. She come to bring down people. And at that, me say me don't talk. I care zero. I care zero. That is very out order. She rude and disrespectful and bright. Yeah, and that me say.
So you go when Derrick enough. And then everybody if you seek help from you, go and good for your own. You have a name over Dana. Remember Ramesh Quenchar. You have a name over Dana. Make Dana move on nasty. So what you Dana start wear good here. And what you Dana head favor tire. And what you should start wear good here. I remember say people used to donate things to Dana. Dana not spend no money all now. Dana not spending any money. Dana walk and beg like dog. I told the people them ready for come out come talk about oh Dana beg like dog. Dana walk and beggy. Enough donation things in a Dana house.
Dana is a prime example of anybody you're supposed to take things from. Because why you feel like say because you support Uncle Derrick or you buy 2 t-shirts from him or you give him look a change or something. You feel like say the man supposed to just stop eat what him did eat before. Everybody on this at TikTok and know say Derrick eat large. Everybody know that. So why as the man posting look at pizza you feel like say you feel try to rub what you do feed in your face. That's what I'm saying, and anybody to take things from. And what people don't know is that when you're all good for the over stove or go over fire, Like, unna know that, unna no grandfather, unna no grandmother, unna none of them people down there, unna know that. There's certain people, you know, take things from them. Because people like to use what them do for you against you. And she should have never come on the internet come say something like that. And you know say man that eat big already. You know the man that eating fried rice and pork. You know the man that eating KFC. You know the man that eating big box food them. So why you make it an issue now when the man that eat large before? Because you support him to stop eat large.